Grammar Part 17 Tenses. Tenses. What is tense? Tense means a verb tends to indicate the action or state happened in the relation to the time of speaking. There are mainly three types tenses. First one, present tense. Present means now it is going on when the speaker speaks. Before fast, it is past tense. In work or action going next comes, it tells about future, so it is future tense. So mainly tenses classified in three types: present tense, past tense and future tense. Now these three tense another classified into four types each one. The present tense classified into four. They are simple present, next present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So each tense another classified into four types. They are simple, next continuous, next perfect and perfect continuous. In the same manner, past tense also classified four types. They are simple fast, fast continuous, fast perfect, past perfect continuous. In the same way, future tense also classified four types. They are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. So in total 12 tense is there in English. Now observe the subject. Singular and plural forms in three persons. The first person singular I. In first person plural we. The second person singular you. Plural also you. Third person singular he, she, it. In plural they. The names of a persons also third persons. Example Ramu, Sita, like that. When the names comes using and conjunction, those are plurals. Example Ramu and Sita. These are third person plurals. Now these useful to singular plural related to the follows by helping verbs. Next, observe carefully. One example in 12 sentences, I take verb eat and also object pizza. Now observe base form of verb. Base verb forms, observe carefully. We take base eat verb. It is not used in any tense. It is the base. Using this base, we use our tense in present, past and future verbs like V1, V2, V3 and V4. First, present tense. It use verb V1, that means base form in singular, first person, second person, plural also first person, second person, third person. When comes third person singular, we add verb s plus s. Observe carefully. Eat and eats. Eats use only in third person singulars. The same past tense. Past tense we use verb form second form, that means first form. Eat first form ate. We call that V2, that means verb 2. In future tense we use past participle. It is V3, verb 3. This verb 3 called as past participle. Eat participle verb is eaten. Next, verb 4. It is present participle. We called it continuous. That means V4. Eat verb 4 is eating. These known as principal verb forms V1, V2, V3 and V4. These forms used for specific tenses. Observe now. Observe the present tense. First, simple present. Always simple present formula subject plus verb 1 V1 plus object. Observe carefully sentences. I eat pizza. We eat pizza. Observe. Here I, we, you, they. These all subjects follows verb eat. He, she, it. These third person singulars follows verb plus s. That means eats. This present continuous tense next. It is structure of subject plus helping verb. Helping verb related to the subject. It comes am, is, are. Next, main verb, verb 4, V4, that means continuous form, plus object. Observe carefully sentences. I am eating pizza. You are eating pizza. He is eating pizza. Observe, I follows helping verb am. We, you, they follows helping verb are. He, she, it follows helping verb is. Next, present perfect. It is the structure subject helping verb has or have. Next, verb form 3 and object. Observe, I have eaten pizza. He has eaten pizza. subjects I, we, you, they. Those subjects follow helping verb have. In third person singular, he, she, it follows helping verb has and follows V3 eaten. In fourth tense of present, present perfect continuous. It is structure based subject helping verb has or have, next been, next verb for, next object. Observe, I have been eating pizza. You have been eating pizza. He has been eating pizza. They have been eating pizza. It is also first subject, first person, and plurals of first person, third person, and second person. These order follows have, next been, plus before. In first person, sorry, third person singular, he, she, it follows has plus been plus verb 4. In past tense, we observe past tense 4 types tenses. Simple past first. The structure is subject plus V2 past verb plus object. Observe carefully. I ate pizza. He ate pizza. They ate pizza. Next, past continuous. The formula subject plus was or were V4 plus object. Here observe, I was eating pizza. We were eating pizza. She was eating pizza. They were eating pizza. Observe carefully. I follows was helping verb. We, you, they follows were helping verb. He, she, it follows was helping verb. Next, third past perfect. The formula subject had plus V3 plus object. Observe, I had eaten pizza. You had eaten pizza. She had eaten pizza. It had eaten pizza. In the past perfect, all type of subjects follows had plus V3 verb. Next, past perfect continuous. This tense formula is subject had plus been plus verb 4 plus object. Observe examples. I had been eating pizza. He had been eating pizza. In this sentence also, all subjects followed had helping verb plus been and V4. Next, future tense. In future tense, there are 4 future tenses. They are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Now observe simple future. The formula of simple future is subject shall or will plus V1, that means verb 1 plus object. Observe the examples. I shall eat pizza. We shall eat pizza. You will eat pizza. He will eat pizza. She will eat pizza. It will eat pizza. They will eat pizza. Here you observe first person singular and plural. I and we follows shall. The remaining subjects, second person and third person, you, he, she, it, they, singular as well as plurals, follows will. Same pattern follows all tense in future tense. Next, future continuous. The formula of future continuous is subject shall or will plus be plus V4 plus object. Observe the examples. Next, future perfect. The future perfect tense formula is subject shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. Observe the examples. Next, past tense future perfect continuous. The formula is subject shall or will plus have plus been plus verb 4 plus object. Observe the examples. Observe in future four types of tenses. I and we follows shall helping verb. The remaining you, he, she, it, they follows will helping verb. Okay.